So I haven't been to a crime scene for years. Partly that's because I now work for the defence a lot of the time. So when the police get a case, it will naturally go to a prosecution laboratory. And we do both in-house here, but it will naturally go to a prosecution laboratory who do lots and lots of work, and they provide reports to the police. The police then serve those reports to the defence solicitors, who look at it and go, oh, crikey, we don't know what that means. Can you take a look at it? And that's when we would come in. So by the time we come in, the crime scene work is usually finished. The crime scene's been given away. So we work from photographs a lot. But what I would say is that even prosecution scientists rarely go to a crime scene. A scientist might go, for example, if someone's been shot, you might get a firearms scientist there. Or if there's lots of blood, really complicated blood patterns around, they might call a blood pattern scientist. But apart from that, forensic scientists don't go to scenes at all. And even then, I reckon probably 1% of forensic scientists have ever gone to a crime scene. What most people are thinking about is crime scene investigators. And I was going to mention that is probably also a good avenue to just check out and see if you're interested in, because they're the ones that go, they photograph the scene, they will, in less serious cases, they will speak to the victims. So they'll go into burglaries, speak to the homeowner, they'll go to shops that have been had thefts, and they'll speak to shop owners, they'll photograph evidence, they'll recover evidence. They do all sorts. They have a much better knowledge of lots of different evidence types than we do. So I'm a biologist, so I'm really good at biology, like body fluids. I'm really good at DNA. I'm really good at blood pattern analysis. But I know very little about fingerprints or gunshot residue or toxicology or drugs. I don't know anything about, or very little about, all those other aspects, whereas a crime scene investigator knows a little bit about everything, because they have to look at it at the scene and they have to try and start working out what's important to recover from the scene and what's not. So they're really, people think of them sometimes as less qualified, but actually for what they do, they're amazing because they just know so much.